Hi, Marv Eisen here from Timeless Dollar. Today, I want to do a short video about the significance of gaps or windows in trading the E-mini and micro E-mini futures markets. Now, typically I trade the E-minis and micro E-minis, and I always like to see in the morning if there was a gap or window that opened up or that's going to open up from the previous day or even a day or two previous to the previous day. The reason is that windows or gaps always get closed. They don't always close the next day, could take several days, even a week, but they always close. The trick is to know where those gaps are. Now here I have a chart, and this is a 15-minute chart of the micro E-mini, and from the left side, I'm going to put my cursor on the left side. This is July 15th. And scrolling over to the right side, this is the end of the day on July 19th. Now, because the micro E-mini and E-mini futures markets trade continuously, or pretty much continuously, it's very difficult, or actually impossible, to see where the gaps are in the S&P. So what I do, here's a little trick that makes it visually insightful to see where those gaps are. In order to see where the gaps are or the windows are, I'm going to switch over to the S&P market. This is the S&P chart, 15-minute chart again, and you'll notice that we can easily see where these gaps form at the beginning and end of the trading day and the following trading day. So again, back to the E-mini market, we can't see where those gaps are because it's a continuous market. But when we go over to the same time frame, 15 minutes, on the regular S&P, we can easily see where these gaps form, where they are. And of course, they're going to form at the end of the trading day. And the reason that I do this is that these gaps, to me, they represent a target. I don't know when these gaps are going to close, but they will close. So what I do then, I go over to the micro E-mini market. I'm going to go back to the micro E-mini chart. And here is July 16th, right over here, July 16th at 1600 hours, okay? And I'm going to go back to the micro E-mini chart on July 16th, at 1600 hours, 1600 hours right about here. And what I'm going to do is draw a horizontal line right at the point of the market closing on July 16th. July 16th, 1600 hours, right about here. Okay, so this is a target. So this is a gap that will ultimately be filled. Question is, when will it be filled? Now, on the next trading days, again, this is the 16th over here, and here is the 20th. We're over to the 20th. There was a weekend intervening. And we see that that gap has not been filled, and it's 4 days past the date that this gap formed. So this is my target, 43.15 on the E-mini or micro E-mini. And now I'm going to scroll to the left and show you what happened. Well, gee, look at this. On July 20th, the market shot up. It shot up. And of course, this was after a decline due to the fear of the COVID variant slowing the economy. But nevertheless, the following day, on the 19th, the 17th and 18th were the weekends. This was the 16th. This was the opening on the 19th. And the gap did not close. So we had all this distance from 42.55 up to 43.13. So we have 45.55, about 70 points to cover. Don't know when it's going to happen, But look what happens on the 20th. On the 20th, the market opens, strong move up. Will it stop? Now, typically, stochastics becomes way overbought early in the day at 9:45, just 15 minutes after the market opens on the 20th, with a spinning top forming, but you can sense that the market is reaching to close that gap. And look what happens when it closes the gap. It closes the gap at 1600 hours. Look where the market closes. It exactly closes the gap that formed here on the 16th. So from here, don't know where the market's going to go when it's over here, but it's a pretty good gamble that chances are this gap is going to be filled. So this would be a pretty good opportunity to chase an outcome that always occurs. Anyway, this is Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar, and thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you the next time. Safe trading.